Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two CRM tools platform, which is Zendesk and Copper CRM. So I'm just quickly going to dive into it, try to reveal the pros and cons about these two CRM tools. Let me decide which of these can be a game changer for you. So let's dive into it. Talking about Zendesk is great for business that focus mainly on the customer service. It offers top-tier support tools like live chat, ticketing, automation, helping teams manage clients efficient. However, it can feel overly sometimes complex and pricey for small teams, and its CRM side isn't as strong at all. And talking about Copper CRM, on the other hand, is built for simplicity and sales management. It integrates well perfectly with Google Workspace, which make it ideal for tracking leads and automating workflow. But it lacks the deep support tools Zendesk offer and might not suit teams outside Google ecosystem. So in my opinion, Zendesk waits for support every business, while Copper CRM is better for sales focused team. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.